The Indian Academy of Law and Management has requested me to talk to all of you today. Now, I have been to America, I have been to London, I have been to France, I have been to Singapore. I find that there the arbitration bar has developed. There is a distinct section of the bar which devotes itself only to arbitral tribunals, to arbitral work. Now, here the problem is, for instance, take a place like Delhi. The arbitrators, the same lawyers are appearing before the arbitrators, the same lawyers are appearing before the tribunals, before the High Court, before the Supreme Court. The arbitral tribunals get the lowest preference because it is not a court. And the way the courts can dismiss their causes, we can't. So, two things. One, you have to give some power to the tribunals so that they can control, they can enforce the discipline which the amended act wants them to enforce. That power has not been given to the arbitral tribunal. The result is that lawyers would always request that arbitration work should be taken up after 4:30, and that is because they can complete their whatever work they have in the High Courts, in the Supreme Court or in the other tribunals, and then come to the arbitral tribunal. So I think ultimately we will have to go the same way as other countries have gone. Ultimately, I think, and may not be immediately, but in due course, I think we will also develop a bar which will confine itself to arbitral work. And once that specialization is achieved, then perhaps these difficulties will not be there. Then perhaps the tribunals can work the whole day rather than starting their work at 4:30. So I think that the ultimate solution is that a separate bar should develop, and I can tell the youngsters who are learning from your institution that it will not be, it will be very profitable for them to be on the side, before the arbitral tribunals, because here you have a lot of training, what you would get otherwise on the original side of practice. Because here every case is initiated by you, it is built up by you, you decide how you will go about, what defense to take. Therefore, there is a tremendous opportunity for learning the law here, and that will also help you later if you want to shift to the court practice. It will help you there also. Thank you.